Procrastination, we all know it, that nagging voice telling us to wait, to push things off until later. It's a universal struggle, but it doesn't have to control our lives. Overcoming procrastination is entirely possible, and the rewards are immense. Imagine a life where you meet deadlines with ease, where stress doesn't cripple your productivity. This can be your reality. It starts by understanding the problem and equipping yourself with the right tools. Procrastination is more than just laziness. It's often rooted in fear, perfectionism, or feeling overwhelmed. We delay tasks because we fear failure, we strive for unattainable standards, or the sheer volume of work paralyzes us. Recognizing these underlying causes is the first step towards reclaiming your productivity. It's about understanding yourself, your triggers, and developing strategies to combat them. The good news is that procrastination isn't a life sentence. You can break free from its grip and unlock your true potential. Just as a sculptor chisels away at stone to reveal a masterpiece, we too can chip away at our procrastination habits to reveal a more productive, fulfilled version of ourselves. It's a journey that requires effort and commitment, but the results are well worth it. Time management is often touted as the antidote to procrastination, and for good reason. It's about taking control of your time rather than letting it control you. Think of it as budgeting your money, but instead of dollars and cents, you're managing minutes and hours. Effective time management empowers you to allocate time to tasks that truly matter, minimizing wasted minutes and maximizing productivity. One powerful time management technique is the Pomodoro technique. This method involves working on a task for a focused 25 minutes, followed by a short 5-minute break. This structured approach helps maintain focus, prevents burnout, and makes daunting tasks more manageable. Experiment with different time management strategies to find what works best for you. Remember, effective time management isn't about squeezing every second out of your day. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about understanding your peak productivity times and scheduling demanding tasks for those periods. It's about recognizing that rest and breaks are not indulgences, but essential components of sustained productivity. Imagine setting off on a journey without a destination in mind. You might wander aimlessly, making little progress. The same principle applies to productivity. Without clear goals, our efforts lack direction and we're more susceptible to procrastination's seductive call. Setting goals acts as charting a course, providing a clear roadmap to reach your desired destination. But not all goals are created equal. Setting vague, overly ambitious goals often leads to frustration and procrastination. Instead, aim for SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework provides clarity, accountability, and a sense of accomplishment as you tick off each milestone. Break down large goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This not only makes the task less daunting, but also provides a sense of progress, fueling motivation. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and achieving significant goals requires a series of smaller victories along the way. Celebrate these milestones, no matter how small, as they reinforce your commitment and propel you forward. Section 4. Discipline, the engine of progress. Discipline is the engine that propels us towards our goals, even when motivation wanes. It's the unwavering commitment to taking action, even when it's the last thing we feel like doing. Discipline is the bridge between setting goals and achieving them, the force that transforms intention into reality. Cultivating discipline is like building a muscle. It requires consistent effort and practice. Start by establishing routines and sticking to them. This could be as simple as waking up at the same time each day or dedicating a specific time block for focused work. These seemingly small acts of self-discipline create a foundation for greater productivity. Overcoming procrastination often involves delaying gratification. We need to prioritize the long-term rewards of completing a task over the immediate allure of distractions. This requires a conscious effort to shift our focus from immediate pleasure to long-term fulfillment. Remember, the satisfaction of accomplishment far outweighs the fleeting comfort of procrastination. Section 5. Actionable strategies from overwhelmed to on track. Let's translate these principles into actionable strategies. One effective technique is breaking down large tasks into smaller, bite-sized chunks. This not only makes the task less intimidating, but also provides a sense of progress as you complete each step. Remember, even small steps forward contribute to significant progress over time. Eliminating distractions is crucial for maintaining focus and momentum. This might involve silencing your phone, turning off social media notifications, or finding a quiet workspace. Experiment with different strategies to identify what works best for you. Positive reinforcement can be a powerful motivator. Reward yourself for completing tasks, no matter how small. This could be as simple as taking a break, enjoying a healthy snack, or listening to your favorite music. These rewards create positive associations with productivity, making it more likely you'll stick with your goals. Section 6, the rewards of conquering procrastination.